Struggling with hair loss? Try this natural proven remedy. Onion juice is a natural remedy for various types of hair loss: autoimmune, nutritional, and fungal. Onions are rich in sulfur, essential for keratin, and contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant. Quercetin boosts hair follicle growth hormones and is antimicrobial, fighting yeast, mold, and fungus on the scalp. To make onion juice, chop one red onion, blend it, strain through a cheesecloth, and extract the juice only. Massage the juice into your scalp. Leave for 30 to 60 minutes. Then rinse and shampoo twice to remove the smell. Repeat twice a week for 4-6 weeks. Add 5 drops of rosemary oil to onion juice. A 2015 study found rosemary oil as effective as top alopecia medication. Mix onion juice, 8 oz water, 1 tsc sea salt, and 1/2 tip raw honey. Cover with cheesecloth and let it ferment for 72 hours. Hair loss tip: take 10,000 20,000 IU vitamin D3 daily and eat a nutrient-rich diet with zinc, biotin, and omega-3s. Tired of expensive treatments? Try onion juice therapy today. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural remedies.